In the last problem, we were solving a problem where we wanted to find out what the amount was after time, and we were given P, the principal. Now we're given the amount after time, and we want to find out how much will we need to invest in order to achieve that. So it's still a compounded interest problem, and so we'll write down the formula. A equals the P times 1 plus R over N to the NT. In this case, we want to have a $20,000 down payment after 8 years, so that's the amount after time, or A. P is our unknown. Our interest rate is 5%. We're compounding weekly, so N is 52 times, and raised to the NT, so 52 times 8. And so we want to solve for P. And before we do that, I would like to evaluate that. So 52 times 8 is 416. So what I'm going to do, in order to solve for P, I'm going to divide both sides by 1 plus 0.05 over 52 to the 416. Okay, on this side this cancels. And so I'm left to type this into my calculator. So let's open up the calculator. We'll plug this in. So we're going to take 20,000 divided by, open parentheses, 1 plus 0.05 divided by 52 raised to the 416. Right, and we'll hit enter. And in this case, since I didn't specify how to round, and generally on a test or quiz, if I don't specify how to round, you can use your best judgment as long as you round correctly. So let's just round this one to the nearest dollar. And so P is going to be 409 if we round. $13,409. Now, there's another way to, so this is one way to solve a problem like this when you don't know P. You can just plug into the original formula. But there is another option, and that is to actually manipulate the formula first. And so there is another formula that states that P equals A times 1 plus R over N to the negative NT. And I just want to show you where that came from. If we started with A equals P times 1 plus R over N to the NT, and we divided both sides by 1 plus R over N to the NT, this cancels. So P ends up equaling A, well, divided by 1 plus R over N to the NT, but if you want to write that as a negative exponent, the expression could be just moved to the numerator, and your exponent is negative. So you can use this formula also. It really is up to you. So what I'd like you to do is just practice, pause the video again, practice using this new formula to answer the same question from example 3, and see that you get the same answer. So if I want to plug in and I want to find P, P is going to equal A, which is 20,000, times 1 plus 0.05 over 52 to the negative 416, because we already multiplied that out. And let's do this on the calculator. We'll take 20,000 times, so open parentheses, 1 plus 0.05 divided by 52, close those, raise that to the negative 416, and hit enter, and you can see here you get the same exact value. We get the $13,409.